In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft failed to log in invalid session. Try restarting your launcher. So first thing you want to do is you want to go here and type in cmd, run as administrator. Now this, you want to write some commands here. So first command is net winsock reset and press enter. Then you want to write net winsock reset catalog. Then write ipconfig flush DNS. Then write ipconfig renew. After this, you can close this down. Now, if you're still having issues, then I recommend going here to control panel. Over here, go to network and then network and sharing. Click on your internet and then go to properties. Then click on the internet protocol version 4. Click properties and then click here and type in 8888. Then type 8844 and then click OK. Click OK. And this should fix your issue.